Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious flan. First, gather your ingredients and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You will need eggs, milk, sugar, and vanilla extract. Having everything ready ensures a smooth cooking process. This recipe is designed to be straightforward, even for beginners, and results in a wonderfully creamy dessert that everyone will love. Let's get started on this delightful culinary journey. The first crucial step is creating the caramel base. Melt 1 cup of granulated sugar in a heavy-bottomed saucepan over medium heat. Do not stir it, but gently swirl the pan as the sugar melts and transforms into a beautiful, deep amber liquid. Once it reaches this rich color, immediately and carefully pour the hot caramel into your chosen baking dish, tilting it to evenly coat the bottom. This forms the sweet, golden topping for your flan. Now, let's prepare the creamy custard. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs until they are well combined. Then, gradually incorporate 1 can of evaporated milk and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor profile. For an incredibly smooth and silky flan, strain this entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve directly into your caramel-lined baking dish. This removes any small lumps or air bubbles. Place your baking dish into a larger pan, then fill the larger pan with hot water to create a water bath. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes or until the center is just set. Once baked, let it cool completely before refrigerating for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. This chilling time is essential for the flan to firm up and for the flavors to fully develop. When ready to serve, run a knife around the edge, invert it onto a plate, and enjoy. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.